Hi everyone, it's been a while, but I came back to try out these new extensions. I know we've all seen this. So this is the V-Light method that I'm sure everyone's been seeing all over Instagram and TikTok. So I wanted to try it out. So let's try it together. It looks great, but does it work? So I thought, here, let's give it a try. I ordered this stuff. I didn't get the little tiny brush. So here's me trying them out. Let's do this together. So here, I'm doing it on a doll head, so of course it's not going to be perfect. It's my first time trying this, so it's not going to be clean or as clean and neat and tidy as I would like, but here we go. So I cut the hair tip off, putting on the solution. I kind of put it on the top and bottom. I wanted to make sure it's saturated enough. I don't have the little tiny brush, but I just kind of spread it out. Put on the UV light, maybe, 15-20 seconds. And it works. I mean, like I said, this is my first try, so there were a few loose pieces, but they're on there pretty good. I combed it through. Here's another one I tried. They're a little clumpy, but I think with a little brush and a little practice, it'll come out. I mainly wanted to see if they would actually stay. So after this, I tried it on myself, but it looks like it's working. Here's me trying it on myself, which was not easy, especially if you wear glasses. So I tried a little tiny strand. It was a little sticky, but again, this is my first time. So I put brown so we could see the difference. And here's after about five days wearing, washing, brushing, and it's still there. So yes, it works.